Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. CH2, NH2, CH, CH3, CH2, CH2, NH2. This is a 4-carbon chain with NH2 groups on C1 and C4 and a methyl substituent on C2. Moving on to the next step. Determine the parent chain. The longest continuous carbon chain that contains both nitrogen-bearing carbons is 4 carbons, C1, C2, C3, C4. This makes it a butane backbone. Moving on to the next step. Number the chain to give the substituents the lowest locants. Numbering from the NH2 end, C1 has NH2, C2 has CH3, C3 is CH2, C4 has NH2. The two amino groups are at positions 1 and 4, and the methyl group is at position 2. And for the final step, name the compound. Parent chain is equal to butane. Two amino groups at C1 and C4 is equal to butane 1,4-diamine. Methyl substituent at C2 is equal to 2-methyl. Full name 2-methylbutane 1,4-diamine. Verify numbering. If numbered from the other end, the methyl would be at C3 and amines at C1 and C4 giving 3-methylbutane 1,4-diamine, but the lower locant set 1, 2, 4 is preferred over 1, 3, 4, so numbering giving methyl at C2 is correct. Eliminate wrong options. B. 3-methylbutane 1,4-diamine incorrectly numbers from the wrong end. C and D. Use substitutive nomenclature that does not correctly represent the structure as a simple diamine with methyl substituent on the main chain. Therefore, the correct answer is A. Therefore, the correct answer is option A.